we've got something serious to talk about. What is cryptocurrency according to you? No, from your own perspective. Do you think that it's just an internet money, people with greed and hype just go behind it and it's definitely going to fall? Or else do you think that the one which a friend recommended, hey bro, come and invest in this 10,000 rupees or something, and you invite two people and then they'll invite two people and you will get like this? And it's based on some fake blockchain technology. You know what? I still cannot believe that people are falling for such things. You have absolutely no idea what the real cryptocurrency is about. Have you ever heard of Binance? It's literally like a main leader in cryptocurrency world. It's one of the best exchanges and they have got their own token, and there's no point in talking about it. What I'm trying to tell is that you need to be aware more about such things, my brother. You have got to do more research about it. Simply because someone came and told that, hey, Bitcoin rose from here to here, even this will go, even this is a very nice project based on smart contracts, decentralization and whatnot. You know what? Let me ask you a basic question. Is it listed on any exchanges? Is it trading in any of the exchanges? Does it have any particular value? You can find it by logging into a website called CoinMarketCap, and you can find all the list of all the coins available. There are more than thousands of tokens, more than 2,000 I guess. And you can see the value of those tokens and in which exchanges those are trading. Before you invest in something, go do that research, go do a small part from your end. Simply don't believe it. This whole network marketing or chain marketing or MLM, whatever you may call it, it's got a real big market, and it's got a very traditional way of promotion, which is word of mouth, and it's the best way of promotion. They have got so many students into investing into them. You know what? I've come across a few of those companies and it's total shit. I can call them a shit coin. There's absolutely no purpose for it. They simply, in the name of blockchain technology and Bitcoin, because of the hype, they try to make some money and they have made a lot of money. Whereas the real projects are very much undervalued, and it's not in the same case in other countries, but in India or where I'm surrounded by in Mangalore, I see a lot of them investing into such things which has got absolutely no name in the cryptocurrency industry at all. Why is this happening? What's wrong with us? You want to know what real projects do? Let me tell you about Electroneum. They have built a whole ecosystem. What happens is that they have a platform called anytask.com. People do freelancing job over there. Any type of skill that you may have, any skill. And you are going to do it for someone else in another completely different country. And they are going to pay you in Electroneum. And you can use that. You don't have to convert that Electroneum into the fiat currency of that country. All you have to do is that nowadays people have started accepting it. Barber shops, grocery stores, especially in Africa, a lot of them have started accepting it. It's not a lot, but it's progressing every day by day. And in 4 countries recently, just a week ago, 4 countries, the electricity and water bill payments are being supported. And in 140 countries, including India, I can do a Geo recharge or a Airtel recharge for myself using Electroneum. Using the cryptocurrency, you can understand that there is actual use case for it. They have got a purpose. They are targeting the unbanked people. Within a lot of such underdeveloped nations, there are so many billions of people who are actually unbanked. They don't have a bank account. They don't have absolutely zero knowledge about digital things. And these people are making them aware of it. This is something real, and there are so many uneducated people living over there, and they are recently, in a few months probably, they'll be releasing something known as Task School, wherein they'll be teaching them few tasks and skill sets that they'll use in any task and earn their livelihood. This is a whole ecosystem. This is just one. I'll tell you another. Binance. It's one of the best exchanges. They started off in 2017 and it's been simply skyrocketing until now because they have been doing so much progress in the crypto world. I won't tell much about the technicality because you won't understand it. Or else let me tell you about Ethereum, the coin which is ranked after Bitcoin. Ethereum is basically built on smart contracts, and there are a few criteria or conditions that has to be met in order for the contract to be executed. These are some basic things. I have no real in-depth knowledge about such technicality. I'm a kind of financial kind of a guy. So the reason I'm telling this is because people in the name of blockchain are trying to make so much money, and you are still falling for the same trap, wherein you don't have control of your own bloody funds. Bro, how can you let it happen? You just have to be more aware of it. You have to do your own research on this part. Just because I'm saying you cannot believe me, you have to do your own research. This is just a perspective. I'm in no way a financial advisor. You have to do your own research. It's your money. you are risk for what can I responsible for it. You've got to be more aware of such things. You can try to learn about it. I've learned a lot about such things, and obviously in the coin market cap too, there are thousands of coins listed, and in those there are a lot of scams. I cannot deny that. Scams are everywhere, but we just have to do our own due diligence before investing in any sort of thing. Just because someone came and told, just because they claim to be a blockchain related company with absolutely zero use case, just in the name of some smart contract or anything, you just ask with them whether they have been listed in an exchange. Are they trading? Do you have control of your own funds? You know what the main purpose of Bitcoin is? You need to have the control of your own funds. There's no father for it. There's no governing body for it. It is totally decentralized. No frauds can be committed. Example, as I told in Ethereum, there cannot be any frauds happening in future. Properties and such stuff, nowadays it's in paper, the kagzad, but later on it's all going to be in blockchain. It cannot be edited. This is the new coming technology, and nothing can stop that from coming. Earlier days it was internet, now it's blockchain. You have to get some of these things in your mind. I'm sorry I've spoken so, I think, arrogantly, but you just have to do your own due diligence, my friend. That's pretty much. So I've got so many messages asking, hey, can I invest here? Can I invest in this? Can I invest in this coin? And I'm like, bro, that's not even a real coin, not even a real project. What are you? Alright, if you think someone needs to know about this, just share this video.